It's me again. I'm looking for a distraction. How about you? Thank goodness for YouTube. Thank goodness for the internet. Thank God for electricity, or I would be so isolated right now. Thank God for plumbing. Thank God for the sanitation workers. Thank God for the nurses and the hospitals and the doctors and the food industry and the mail people and everything. Oh, I know this will all get better once they have a vaccine. We will all go back to living our lives, maybe better. But as soon as the vaccine comes, we'll be fine. So we just have to do what they say. So if you're looking for a distraction, you've come to the right place. Let's distract. Okay, now that you've been home more than usual, you are probably watching YouTube more. I want to thank the content creators that are still doing videos. I mean, I watch a variety of content creators and I really appreciate that. Okay, because you're still watching videos, you must probably see a lot of ads, and I know they can get annoying. There is something you can do about that. It will cost you $9.99 a month, but to me, it's so worth it because I watch so many videos and I like to support so many channels. They still get compensated, but you don't have to see the ads. So it's called YouTube Red, just in case you don't know about it and you're like annoyed with all these ads that you're seeing. I don't see any, so I don't know how many you're seeing. So the main thing about being home is that you want to get your blood moving, okay? So I'll show you some exercises that I do that keeps your blood moving. It's called dry brushing. I'll put a little clip. You brush towards your heart. Every way you brush, you go in the direction of your heart. You brush up on your arms. And see? I'm starting to breathe deep. You go all around. You could get these brushes online in the drugstore, and all you have to do is brush, brush, brush. And then all of a sudden, your breathing becomes deep. You're taking a nice deep breath. You could do it on your legs. If you have a sick partner at home, you can do it to them. That could be the massage that you're giving them. I know most adults are not going to be running around in the house as much unless they're going up and down the steps or they're forcing themselves to go out for a walk. So if you take that brush and you just go up and down, you will feel a breath of air come to your lungs and the blood starts circulating. It's fabulous. Another thing you could do is take advantage of steps. If you have them outside your building, inside your building, take advantage of steps and go up and down the steps. There are 3 other exercises that I do in the house, but 2 of them, unless you have the machines that I have, you won't be able to do them. One is this machine. I love this machine. And it's sold online. I think it's less than $200. It is the best thing for anyone who can't really get out there and exercise. The blood circulates like nothing else. Nothing else. It's amazing. When I tell you, it's amazing, and it dates back to the 1940s they used to use that. That is the best. Then there's this swimming simulator that I got on one of the shopping channels many years ago. If you are tired, you are pooped, you have no energy, you're not motivated, you get on one of these machines and I will guarantee you will be running around the house. You will have so much energy. They give you spurts of energy.
totally relax and let the machine move you. Just totally go limp. See, I just went limp. And if you have vertigo, you could put a pillow under your head. Sometimes I put my ankles crossing each other. I get more of a shake. This machine shakes you up like a milkshake. My insides are woo, spinning around. You start feeling circulation, and then your body gets really itchy. That's because the blood is coming up to the surface and nourishing your skin and all your organs. It's a beautiful thing. If you've never felt that itch, you need one of these machines. See? It's like you're swimming. I'm out of breath. Now I need help getting up.
So yes, we're trying to keep our blood flowing and drinking water and keeping our minds active. And I really find that when I come on social media and I answer my comments, I feel like I just had a visit with you. It just makes me feel good. It's like you connected with somebody. I'm living alone, so I have nobody here unless I leave the house. And thank God I have an excuse to leave the house. I have to go to my mother's, and I love spending time with her. And I make sure I don't go anywhere else except to the grocery store so I don't infect her. And whenever I leave the house, I put on my outdoor clothes. I've designated every few days a pair of pants and a sweatshirt that I wear to leave the house. I pin up my hair, I put on a hat, I put on a mask, and if I have the gloves, I'm waiting for gloves to come, then I put on the gloves. And I couldn't believe so many people didn't have a mask on. So let me hang up this jacket. I have to change these clothes into my house clothes. And then after I see my mom, I will drive by my kids' house and I will just park out front and they will just talk to me from their door. I mean, we're about 20 feet away and that's always a good visit. So if you get lonely, you can drive by a friend's house. So you have to walk your dog, you have to go to the grocery store, and you have to feed and take care of the elderly. And one more thing to do if you're down in a funk. And believe me, I know what it's like to be down in a funk. But I try to get myself out of it. And so at night, you know, your mind starts racing. You start thinking about horrible things sometimes. I mean, I do. So the minute I put my fake smile on my pillow, a nice big fake one like I told you, because you're not going to feel like smiling, but the minute you do that, all the bad thoughts go away. It's really, really true. So that's why I'm telling you again. Yeah, practice that. Practice smiling when you hit the pillow. Smiling on your way to sleep so you don't start thinking about your bills or your family or your friends or the virus or the this or the that. It just keeps going. Don't think about it. You're not doing yourself any good. Just put a fake smile on, like that. That's a real one. But when you're laying there and you cannot think of possibly smiling and you're thinking, what did Carol say? All right, she said, put a smile on my face. Just do it. Just do it and let me know how it worked out. So with that being said, I am going to sign off now. I pray for you all every night. I love you all. You are my social release. And I pray the internet doesn't go down. God. I can just imagine when I was a teenager and this was happening. Of course, we didn't know any better. We didn't know anything about the internet, but I could just see the tough kids in school trying to stay in the house. But can you just imagine with no internet? No, I can't imagine. I can't imagine. I need the electricity to get the news, to get entertainment, and to interact with all of you. So let's go in for a hug. Let's see. If I hug you like this,
could hug you like that. See that?